Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're tackling a massive and honestly super exciting topic, how you can start earning with artificial intelligence using entirely free tools. We're going to look at exactly how to build valuable skills, create content, and offer real services without spending a dime up front. Okay, let's dive into this.
So, what if you could start making money online today without spending a single dollar? I know, it kind of sounds like a dream, right? But it's actually our current reality. Literally anyone sitting there right now with a laptop and a decent internet connection has the power to leverage these free AI tools to build an online income stream. You don't need a massive budget and you don't need startup capital. You just need the right roadmap to figure out how to apply these tools in the real world.
Here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the $0 opportunity, move into content and digital products, and then cover freelancing and services. After that, we'll hit the reality check with mistakes to avoid, and finally, wrap things up with building your income.
Part 1. The $0 opportunity. Getting started with AI today. You know, the big fear out there is that AI is just going to replace everyone's jobs. But the truth? It's actually creating massive new opportunities for folks who know how to leverage it.
The goal isn't to just let AI do everything for you. It's to use it to work faster, to generate significantly more value. So what do you actually need to pull this off? Well, a laptop or a smartphone, an internet connection, a willingness to learn, and of course, those free AI tools. But honestly, the real currency here, it's consistent effort. If you have the drive to just show up every single day, you literally have absolutely everything you need to turn this tech into a professional asset.
Moving on to Part 2. Content and digital products. Creating value from scratch. This is our first big bucket of methods, using AI to generate assets and build an audience.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it perfectly maps out your creative goals to the exact free tools you'll need. You might want to grab a screenshot of this. If your goal is writing and ideas, for blog posts, emails, or website copy, you're looking at ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude's free plan. If you're jumping into video creation, you can use CapCut alongside stuff like Pexels and Pixabay. And for images or digital art, Canva, Microsoft Designer, and Adobe Express are absolutely free powerhouses.
Let's look at how this actually builds into a real business model, like YouTube automation. Step 1, you use AI to brainstorm ideas and draft your scripts. Step 2, AI generates visuals and voiceovers for you. Step 3, and guys, this is absolutely vital, a human, meaning you, edits the content so it actually offers original, useful value. Then step 4, you upload and grow that audience. You don't even have to show your face on camera to make this work as long as you're focusing on providing genuine value to your viewers.
And this brilliantly illustrates the real difference between an amateur and a professional. On the left, we've got the raw AI output. It's generic, it's unedited, and it completely lacks personalization. But on the right, we have the human-edited output. It's personalized, it's quality-controlled, and it's meticulously tailored for the client. Your judgment, that human touch, is exactly what clients are actually paying for. AI drafts the ideas super fast, but you absolutely must edit and personalize it before delivering.
Section 3. Freelancing and client services, offering your AI-enhanced skills. This is our second big thematic bucket, offering direct services to businesses that need professional work done quickly.
If you want to offer direct professional services, there is a massive market of businesses and students out there who desperately need fast turnaround times. You can offer services like content writing, drafting product descriptions, or polishing up resumes. You could handle their social media management or video editing. You can even offer presentation design using tools like Gamma or Canva to just whip up beautiful business slides in minutes. Or offer general research and virtual assistants. The point is, AI helps you work exponentially faster across all these areas, which means you can take on way more clients while still acting as the ultimate quality control.
Take AI website creation as another prime example. First, you sit down with a small business to help plan out their needs. Second, you use AI-assisted website builders to rapidly lay out the foundation. And third, you step in and add your own personal design tweaks for a totally unique result. You're not just handing them some basic cookie-cutter template. You're delivering a customized digital storefront in a fraction of the traditional time, just by letting AI do the heavy lifting on that initial layout.
All right, Section 4. Mistakes to avoid. The reality check. Let's just slow down for a second here, because we really need to dispel some of those get-rich-quick internet myths right now.
It is incredibly easy to fall for the hype, so here are the biggest red flags you need to avoid. Number 1, Do not copy AI output without editing it. Just don't. Second, never ignore copyright or platform rules, especially when you're selling digital art or content. Third, don't fall into the trap of expecting instant wealth or making wild earnings claims. Don't spam potential clients, and honestly, perhaps the most common mistake of all, stopping after just a few days of trying. So the crucial point is that while AI can make you way more efficient, there is absolutely no guaranteed magic way to make money. Real success comes strictly from ethical behavior, consistency, and providing actual value.
There's a brilliant insight from our source material that really hits the nail on the head. The most successful people don't just use AI, they learn skills that complement it. And that right there is the real secret. The tool is just a tool. The people who actually win long-term are the ones who are also constantly learning about communication, marketing, design, problem-solving. It's about practicing daily and improving your own skills over time.
Which brings us to our final section, Part 5, Building Your Income, Taking the First Step. Because at the end of the day, it's your persistence that turns this into a business.
AI is an undeniably powerful technology, for sure. But ultimately, your effort, your creativity, is what transforms it into a real income stream. So I want you to remember this closing mantra. Learn AI, create value, build skills, stay consistent, earn ethically. Pick just one skill to start with, practice it every single day, build up a portfolio, and just keep improving. There's no guaranteed wealth here. Your results are going to depend heavily on market demand and the sheer quality of your work. So make sure you're treating this like a true profession.
We've seen today that AI is really just the tool. Your persistence is the income. Whether you start writing content, creating digital products, or offering freelance services, your first client or your first truly successful project could be a lot closer than you think. So I'll leave you with this final provocative thought. What will you build today?